Good morning, everybody. This is Victor here at CryptoTrendline.com, and it's time for the daily overview of the crypto market. And let's look at the market cap for today. Today's Monday. As usual, Mondays are not extremely strong, but still we didn't have like the perfect weekend. So the prices of the overall market cap are still at almost 330 billion. Which is not that great. We would expect a rally yesterday afternoon, so we were really hoping for a very bullish Monday, but this never happened. There was a drop in Bitcoin. Someone, obviously like a whale, dropped a lot of Bitcoins at a certain point yesterday, so that's why the prices are pretty much the same as on Friday when we closed the video sessions. And let's go through the coins to see what happened since then. Bitcoin's a little bit down. It's like 0.74%, which is not that much, and this is still good because we'll look into the charts later on and I'll show you what we think will happen and what will play out. Ethereum's a little bit up, but this is nothing too big because you know that Ethereum overall has been down way more than Bitcoin, so the rest of the coins are pretty much plus minus 3-4%. Most of them are red, so nothing too huge to talk about. Looking at Binance coin, it's down 8%, but this is absolutely normal because, as you know, or you probably don't know, but let me show you this. We have a signals channel, as you know, and in the signals channel we played Binance coin as a signal last week, and what happened is we submitted it at $9.90 and we said take profit at $14, and what happened is actually Binance hit $14.68 on or something like this, so a great signal. We managed to gain 40% profit, and all of you who played the signal, congratulations on the profit, well done. We are having a little party today in the office to celebrate because this is huge gains, and this just comes to show that, you know, sometimes you might see like a 5-10% movement on some coins. Crypto market is very manipulative, and the thing is that at any given time any given coin can get pumped or dumped, and there's no way for us to actually know this, because what we do is we do technical analysis and we do fundamental research, and all our signals are based on news and all things that we're certain, or well, almost certain will play out. And there's no way for us to catch every little movement, but whenever we release a signal, it's usually as strong, as lucrative as this one. So again, well done to all of you who played this. What happened there actually is that Binance announced they are launching fiat pairs to cryptos, and they're also moving to Malta, which is really amazing, and I do believe that the crypto industry is going to pick up, and huge things are coming for Binance, so we'll just keep looking at the coin, but at this point there's no need to look at it because nothing too great is happening with it. So that's about Binance, and while we talk about Binance, we might as well talk about a different exchange called KuCoin. What happens with KuCoin? KuCoin just announced that they will shut down a couple of pairs that they have, like cryptocurrency pairs, and as I can see at Bitcoin Cash is going to have like a lot of pairs shut down. Also KuCoin shares will cut some pairs like Dash and KuCoin, CAG and KuCoin, MOD and KuCoin, but apart from that, USD Tether pairs will be excluded, such as DBC, TEL, FOTA will be out, OC and TNC and ETC, and some NEO pairs. Obviously they will close the Bitcoin Cash NEO pair, but apart from that, Dent NEO will be closed, FOTA again, ACAT, Quantum and MOD. So for all of you holding these pairs at KuCoin or trading them at the moment, please be aware and just act accordingly, okay? So what do we have next? Great news when it comes to the UK. UK government minister calls for proportionate crypto rules, which is actually indeed great, because whenever like a minister says, well, you know what, crypto is actually not that bad and we can definitely use them and we do believe in them, this means that the UK backs up the entire crypto industry, which is good. Well, obviously they'll need to imply some sort of regulations, but let's face it, guys, regulations are good, they're not bad. Everyone's panicking whenever it comes to regulations. Everyone's thinking, oh no, they're going to destroy the market. This is not true. Regulations are healthy, and the minute this happens, this will help stabilize the prices of all the cryptocurrency assets that you're currently holding, be that tokens or coins. So this is good news. And apart from the UK, there's another country that wants a bit of the action, and it is France. And it turns out that France wants to join the blockchain revolution, and they really want to become the ICO hub of Europe, which is very interesting, because if you can remember, last week we discussed Switzerland, because they wanted to become the ICO hub. So it will be really interesting to see how things are going. But again, a country such as France backs up blockchain and crypto and ICOs. This can be bad. So positive news, it's a positive Monday overall. After that, we do have another country, Australia. Australia's pro-crypto stance continues as politicians invest in Bitcoin, which is actually good. A couple of politicians already announced their deals, and they said that they think of investing even more. And this is good, because this is called leading by example, and it always happens with managers at companies and politicians in countries. So if your politicians say, listen, I'll invest in this because I already did, I've gained some profits and I'm thinking of doing it more, this is really great for the overall crypto atmosphere in Australia. So nice. And what else? Oh, we do have some positive news from the US as well. As USPC, they filed a patent for backing up data with blockchain, which is good. It's not cryptocurrencies per se, but this means that blockchain technology will be adopted in a very big company, which is good, because the use case of blockchain when it comes to data is really nice. And again, this is mass adoption. The company is huge, so great news about blockchain. After that, what we'll do is we'll look into some charts. As we already discussed, this is the Bitcoin hourly chart. Remember what I told you? It was right here where we had this dump. As I said, probably a whale just dumped a big portion of Bitcoin, so we dropped under the support. But then again, we managed to rally back up. So now we're currently at support levels, looking at breaking the trend line, pulling back to support, and then breaking up. So this is before facing the next resistance at around $9,000. We really need to move past $9,000, and then the next major one is 1200. If we pass 1200, we're definitely in a bull market, but we'll have to wait a bit to see that happening. As it is, nothing bad, but nothing too positive. It's kind of like sideways trading, and it's also a make it or break it between these two support and resistance levels. Next, we have Ethereum. As we already discussed, Ethereum a little bit weaker, definitely a bullish trend. What needs to happen in order for Ethereum to go bullish is to bounce from this support level here at 520, and then probably retest it or just make a new higher low, and then go and push to the resistance of 570. And we really need to push this resistance. Currently, we won't be monitoring Binance Coin anymore, and we decided to look into EOS, because EOS actually is a very interesting coin. Last week they had a bit of a rally, so we'll monitor this really closely, and if something interesting shows up, we'll definitely send you a signal. Which reminds me, we do have a signals group in Telegram, and currently it's free. We will share signals regarding price movements of coins. We'll share ICO analysis that we do, and we can also do your portfolio for you if you contact us via Facebook or LinkedIn or via our website. All our contact details are in the description of this video. So join the group. It's currently free, and as you can see, people made 40% profit on Binance last week. And the other group that we have is news. All the news that I just went through, I've posted already in the signals group. So not in the signals, sorry, in the news group. So if you join the news group, you'll always get the latest news instantaneously on your phone or PC or Mac or whatever you're using. So join this group. Again, both Telegram groups are in just under the video. So looking at EOS, what's currently happened, it's really tight trading here because the graphics are getting tighter. That's the support, 6.11, and resistance is 728. 712 to 746 actually. This is what we need to break through today. Then 737 needs to become support, then we need to bounce from it, and if we break 10, obviously things will get better and we might release a signal, so stay tuned for that. That's pretty much everything for today. Thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to see more content, please comment under the video. I'll reply personally to every comment. We can include everything you want, so just give us a shout. And as always, enjoy life, and I will see you tomorrow. Cheers, bye bye.